We're here in the new JobTamer trailer we've done for a solar install crew. We're gonna go ahead and go over a lot of the different JobTamer items that are in here. On our left is gonna be the JobTamer bin system. So this is our Lion series. The Lion series is gonna allow for you to use individual bin system. They're spaced every inch, so you can move those as you need them. They come in different depths and lengths. You can see that this whole wall is actually our Lion series. You can get them shorter, so if you just wanted one of these sections, you can definitely do that. For this series, we have the longest on the bottom, and then we stair stepped back to our shortest bin. So it is on a trailer mount kit, and that mount kit for the trailer is specifically to go over wheel wells. So the wheel wells typically get in the way of something that you're trying to put up against the wall, so that extra elevation is really helpful, and that's why we have the biggest bin on the bottom, because that shelf goes all the way to the back. You have more elbow room, more room in the trailer as you're up here with your tools and items. On our right side, we have our ladder racking and also a lock hook system. We're able to build these to the size of ladder that you need. Also, we have a rack system up top, and this rack system is able to hold pretty much anything you need, whether it's pipes, whether that's just really long materials that you don't want to be strapping to the roof of your trailer. On the back side here, we have a workbench, and with the workbench, we have the Wildcat Series, which essentially our Wildcat Series is a combination of our Tiger Series and our Lion Series. The Tiger Series portion of this is our pull-out drawers. These pull-out drawers give you the capability of using your Milwaukee tools without having to unstack them all the time. If I unlock this here with this locking mechanism, if I just unlock it, we're able to pull out this Milwaukee drawer and not have to unstack it, which is super convenient for you to be able to get to your tools and then get right back on your way. We also have the Tiger Series organizer drawers, and these organizer drawers are grid divided, and you're able to put things like your nails, your screws, all the small stuff that you want to have organized right here in the drawer. And then when you're done, you're going to be moving again, you can lock it up and it'll keep them in place. The top section here is just cabinets. Push the button to unlock it. And this is actually where you can keep stuff like your microwave, food, storage, things like that for your breaks. They're also very secure with these locks on the front. And last thing I want to talk about is the Tiger Series station here on this side. This Tiger Series station is the individualized, not the Wildcat where it's kind of like this whole setup here. It's just an individualized thing where you can have multiple stations. They come in different heights, 3 foot, 4 foot, and 5 foot heights. This one I believe is our 4 foot height, and it has the same locking mechanism on the side, and it comes with all the custom drawers. And if you would like to do bin drawers, we have bin drawers that look very similar to the Lion Series bin style that do go in the Tiger Series. So if you're not using all Milwaukee Packouts, you can change those out. Same thing with the organizer drawers. We have 3-inch, 2-inch, and 1-inch organizer drawers. So if you wanted to customize and do all organizer drawers, you definitely can if you don't have the Milwaukee tools. That's our Tiger Series, and I wanted to go ahead and let you know, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below.